Hello everyone. In every video, we ask you to write comments on the topic of what videos you want to see with the Autobot. And under the last video, you wrote a couple of ideas, and today we will try to implement them. 50 trades is a great challenge for our automated bot. We'll start today with a balance of $1,000 and see what results we can achieve at the end of the video. Let's customize our automated bot for our trading needs. The bot is set up and started trading immediately. We would like to remind our friends that the Autobot is completely free, and you can get it by simply following the link in the description. The start has been made, the first profit is already there, and this is a good sign. We will speed up the video by 10 transactions and watch the trading of the Autobot in dynamics. Also, friends, don't forget to leave your comments on what videos you would like to see with our Autobot, and maybe your idea will become the basis for the next video. The automated bot produced a great series of 3 trades. And this is just the beginning. Let's speed up the video a bit and get back to you after 10 trades. The first 10 trades are behind us, and in the meantime, our balance is gradually increasing. We continue to monitor and evaluate the performance of the automated bot together with you. Wow, what an incredible series of trades from the bot. 9 out of 10 in the black. Are you still wondering if you should start? Automated trading is the clearest and most proven way to make money trading. Don't miss your chance to start earning. The Autobot increased our balance to $5,000 in just 20 trades. Let's see what the result will be after 50 trades with the Autobot. "30 trades behind us, and as you may have noticed, the Autobot experienced a series of unsuccessful trades, then increased the transaction amount and returned everything to us. We show the Autobot's entire operation with all the pros and cons. We're not selling a pig in a poke, but rather showing the Autobot in real time so the client can see for themselves how it works.
On the track.
And here's deal 40, friends. You may have noticed how the automated bot's trading has stabilized and the balance has continued to rise. Now we can move on to the last 10 automated bot deals and summarize today's trading session. We did it, friends. 50 trades with the automated bot, the results are right there on your screens. $10,000 in net profit after 50 trades. What do you think of the results, friends? Get the Autobot absolutely free via the link in the description. Just 2 simple steps to change your life. Finance TradeBot. More than just trading.